Ayurveda also has some solutions. It gives us the diet, it gives how we should manage our dinacharya, daily routine. These are some things also we can incorporate and tell people and see, like Karela, for example, it's good, or what fruits are good for you, what vegetables are good, especially people who have high glycemic and people who have high sugar. Then along with this, I would say happy state of mind, that matters. A strong mind can carry on a weak body, but not the other way around. So hence, to make one's mind strong, a little bit of broadening of their awareness, broadening of mindset. This is necessary. What do you think? I'm sure you will all agree with me. A broad mindset is a way to, I would say it's a vaccination for stress and tension. If your mindset is so narrow and small, that you are susceptible to tension and stress much quickly. So a broader outlook towards life, bigger context to life, purpose to life, meaning to life. Let me congratulate here the Rotary as well. Rotary gather everyone to initiate service activity, and when people are engaged in service to society, their mindset changes. People start thinking bigger, not just me and mine to we move on to say, let us do something together, let us care for this planet. Or when we come from this broader mindset, we would acquire less of tension, less of stress, and we can keep ourselves healthy. I often say there is a formula to get depressed. Do you all want to know? Just sit and say, what about me? What about me? What about me? This is the perfect formula to get depressed. So when person comes out of this cocoon and connects with people in the society, starts caring and sharing themselves with others around, lot of improvement can happen in their health, in their outlook towards life, and the way they see themselves as well. So with these few words, I would say once again, it's a great initiative. Uh, let's all make this happen more often in all parts of the country, and keep or make our country free from diabetes. As I said in the beginning, it's type 2 diabetes can be corrected by lifestyle. This, many of you have already said that. So little change in diet, understanding, a community, welfare activities, all these would immensely benefit to push the health index of our country to higher, to newer heights. So once again, congratulations to you all for the wonderful work you do. Keep doing the work, and do not neglect your own health also. I have seen that many doctors are too busy, too much caring, and you undergo burnout. And if you feel that burnout, just dial Art of Living number anywhere nearby. We have places for you to come and relax and chill and get rejuvenated once again. Yeah, your life is very, very important, and please take care of your health.